Every year on this channel, I post a video where I explain what are, in my opinion, the best ways to create passive income. And this year I want to do the same. This video is about the 5 best ways to generate passive income in 2021. I'm Alessandro Di Ruscio and I'm a digital nomad, and in this channel I teach how to get private and remote clients and how to create an online business on the side. So if you like it, subscribe to this channel with the red button that you have below, and do not forget to click on the bell to get a notification every time I post a new video on this channel. Before I get into the 5 different ways to generate passive income in 2021, I want to clear 2 false assumptions that people have about passive income. First of all, what is passive income? Passive income is revenue that you generate automatically because of a system that you built that needs no additional work or little one. The biggest false assumption that people have about passive income is the fact that passive income doesn't exist. They think it's a way that marketers, the online marketers, use to scam people. But the same people that don't believe in passive income, they're probably generating passive income at the moment even if they don't realize it. If, for example, your bank offers you interest rates on your savings, like 2% each year, you're generating passive income because you're making revenue simply leaving money on your bank account. So as you can see, passive income is not rocket science. In a way or another, you are using a method right now to generate passive income. So it's not deceiving, it's not a way to scam people. It's just thinking about how to make your money make more money. And the other false assumption that people have about passive income is the fact that it's something that will make you rich overnight. Well, look, I have a revelation for you. There is nothing that will make you rich overnight. Well, unless you win the lottery. Passive income needs a strategy and needs a realization. And it's not meant to make you rich overnight. It's just a system that you use to make some additional revenue that then you can invest in something else. I have several passive income systems that I created just to get some additional revenue that I can use for my business expenses, like social media ads. It took me time to create them. It took me time to think about them, to put into action what I thought, and to test them, to realize how to make them work without touching them anymore. But when I created something that works by itself and generate income consistently, well, at that point, I don't have to touch that system anymore. I just leave that system there working automatically, and I earn revenue that I can invest in my business expenses. But let's get into these 5 different ways that you can use in 2021 to generate passive income. Number 1, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an evergreen for me. I've been using affiliate marketing for years and it keeps working. But if you have no idea what affiliate marketing is, it's basically promoting somebody else's product in exchange of a percentage on each sale that you make. I started really small with affiliate marketing, promoting just a few products, and right now it covers 50% of my monthly income. Most of the videos that you will find in this YouTube channel has affiliate links in the description, like this one, for example. Every time that I use a new product for my business, the first question that comes into my mind is, do these guys have an affiliate program? Do these guys allow somebody else to promote that product in exchange of a percentage on each sale? This YouTube channel allows me to get affiliate revenue organically. Organically means that the more people watch my videos, the more probable it is for these people to click on one of my affiliate links and make a purchase. And automatically I receive a percentage on each purchase they make. So this is an organic way to get affiliate revenue. Lately I started using ads as well to promote my affiliate links, like YouTube ads and Facebook ads. And if you are interested about that, in the description of this video you have a link to watch my free masterclass on how to make affiliate revenue using Facebook ads. You have the link in the description, click on the link. It's a 1-hour masterclass and it's completely free. Number 2, use apps to invest your money. Honestly, I don't know anything about dividends, about stocks, and these kinds of things. And I think that in the future I have to fill this gap. But for now, luckily, There are some apps that do everything for you. You simply have to save money on those apps accounts and they will do everything for you. They will invest your money for you. You can forget about it. The only thing that you have to do at the beginning is to choose what kind of risk you want to face with your money. The app that I use for this is called PLUM, but there are so many other apps to do that. If you are in the EU market, well, you have the link to use PLUM in the description. I have to say that I was a little skeptical at the beginning with this app, so I didn't put so much money on PLUM. But the results that I got were totally unexpected. And I started saving more and more on this app because I saw that it's working so well. The return that I get for my money on PLUM is a lot higher than what I can get from any banks. Number 3, create a podcast and promote products on it. 4 years ago, I used to have a podcast that got a discreet success, and I started as a hobby. I didn't have any expectations or any hopes for it. Then one day, one guy sent me an email. This guy told me that he created a smartphone app that could be a great match for my audience, and he wanted to promote this app on my podcast. He wanted me to create a 30-second segment at the beginning of each episode and a 30-second segment at the end of each episode promoting this app. And he was willing to pay me $100 for each episode. So everything that I had to do was to create the 2 segments and add the 2 segments on each episode that I published on my podcast. This is a great example of something that you create once and it keeps generating revenue to you. Becoming successful with a podcast is a lot easier than having success with your YouTube channel. With a YouTube channel, it takes a longer time, and plus you have to stay in front of the camera, something that you don't have to do with a podcast. Number 4, online courses. Another thing that you can create once and you can make revenue out of it over and over are online courses. As you may know, I have these 3 main online courses that I promote and I sell, and I hardly have to do any work on them. A great way to make sales with an online course that you created once is to do a discount on each important holiday that you can think about, like Christmas, Easter, Black Friday, your birthday. In theory, you can do a discount on your online course every single month because there is always something you can celebrate. And if you need a platform to create your online course, I suggest you to use Teachable. That is the one that I use. So in the description, you have a link to try Teachable for free. Number 5, flip retail products. Nowadays, we have access to many ways to buy low and sell high. For example, you can walk into a store with certain products on sale because they're doing a seasonal discount or because they are clearing old stock, and you can buy a good quantity of that product. Then you can sell these products at a slightly higher price on platforms like Amazon and eBay. And you can do the same exact thing with online shop. If you find an online shop that is doing a seasonal discount or a clearance, you can buy a big stock of a product and resell it on those platforms. I met people that do just this for a living. They keep an eye on clearances and discounts, and they buy low and they sell high. And this is a win-win for them and for the customers, because the customers as well, they can get a product at a lower price than they can find in a normal shop. And the great thing about platforms like Amazon or eBay is the fact that after you got a few sales and you got a few positive feedbacks from your customers, those platforms will push your products over and over because they realize you are a trusted seller. And in this way, you will get more and more sales without any promotion. I hope that you like these 5 strategies, and I hope that you will pick one and commit to it. I got positive examples for each one of the strategies that I talked about. So just pick one and commit to it and make it work. And for the rest, if you found the content on this video useful, well, like this video. It will take just a second and will allow me to understand what kind of videos I have to post on this channel. So help me to help you. And if you want to get in touch to talk about your business or to get some help from me, well, you have the link in the description to schedule a call with me. So I hope to talk with you personally, or otherwise, I'll see you on the next video.